Anyway, in the meantime, I'm going to show you how to make 10K in the next 60 days because I want to help you have the best holidays that you've ever had. So I need you to screenshot this because I'm not giving you any income disclaimers. I'm not saying you can take this information and make the money. I'm showing you a strategy that's helped many people inside the community make that type of income, and you're going to learn exactly what they've done to be able to achieve that. So I want you to imagine this scenario right now that you are discovering how to earn an income online and escape your 9 to 5 without spending money on marketing and without having to bother friends or family, without having to DM people. How would that feel? Put that in the chat, how that would feel if you could learn how to generate a passive income online. Let me open my chat. I would love to know how that would feel, because it's pretty awesome when you can generate a passive income without bothering friends and family. Yes, awesome. She's at a $3,400 day. Now, here's what I love about this, because many of you listening have a job, right? And you probably been working all day and you're hanging out with us this evening. Love that. She worked her 8-hour shift, plus she did homeschooling as well. Plus she's a mom, so she has that normal mom and wife life and work a business. Plus she does this passive income, $3,400 a day. So you're going to hear from her how she did that. And then we have Christy here, you guys. She's made $5,800 so far this month by following this digital marketing strategy that I'm going to be sharing with you. Since she's launched her business, that's $17,500 since August. So the world is going digital. It has gone digital, right? No matter where you go, people are looking at their phone. You can go out to eat. You can walk in the grocery store. You can look in traffic. No matter where we go, people are on their phone. So why does that matter? And why am I sharing that with you? Because I'm going to show you how to launch a business in the digital goods economy, which is a gigantic economy, which is $950 billion market. Can you imagine if you learned how you could get just a small piece of that pie? So let me share a few stats with you. In 2019, the e-learning industry did $950 million for 1 year. By 2023, it was averaging $1 billion a day. And by 2024, it's averaging the first quarter of 2024, $1.2 billion a day. You guys, it's projected to be a $3 billion a day industry. Imagine just getting a small piece of that pie. So what I'm sharing with you is not only a proven digital marketing strategy. It's generated 40,000 people inside our community, by the way. So that's proven, but not only that, but the industry's proven. I mean, $1.2 billion a day. So yeah, there's money to be made in this industry.